Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. So here is my data on Google Sheets, and then I want to make this data a pie chart from this data. So what you need to do is you just need to choose the range of the data or the data range to add into the pie chart. So I'm going to click on these two data, and then next click on the insert menu at the top and click on chart here, and then the column chart will be automatically created. And if you want to change it into pie chart, just go to the chart type section and then click on the drop down and scroll down until you find the pie chart. So here there are three options. You can just choose one of the design of what the pie chart will look like. I'm going to just choose the usual pie chart like this. So here is the speaking score versus writing score. So you can also make some adjustment. You can change the size of the pie chart. You can also drag the position like this, and then you can also customize each of the pie slice. For example, the color, the font, you can change it into whatever font you like, and also you can change the background color like this, and also the border. Okay, when you're done making some adjustment, just close the chart editor, and just like that, the pie chart has been created in your Google Sheets. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.